Each individual faces a struggle against powerful odds to retain a unique selfhood and personal identity. People exist in a restrictive social environment that impacts many essential human qualities. Among them are the capacity for maintaining personal feelings, the drive to search for meaning, and the ability to live in harmony with and have compassion towards others. The result is that we are all played to varying degrees, and somehow this is beyond our control. 19th century theologian and philosopher Soren Kierkgaard explored and wrote of profound new ideas that would ultimately challenge the way humanity think about philosophy, religion, and psychology. According to Kierkegaard, we are each pulled in two directions, toward the finite or the infinite. When we lean too far in either direction, we risk living stagnant and inauthentic lives. To be a human is to accept that we are both finite and infinite. Both sides have their sirens, calls that beckon us with promises of comfort, and both risk rendering us unable to move forward authentically in our lives. For the Danish philosopher Soren Kierkegaard, the wise but hard task of life is to walk the path between these two abysses, to be neither finite nor infinite, but find the middle way. Right now we have innumerable desires, cravings, worries, phobias, or dreams, tugging us this way and that. For most of our lives, we'll give in to them. For many people, this is all there is, a world that Kierkegaard calls aesthetic. The problem is that if we live only for our needs and whims, then life will rattle by without anything bigger. When we live only for the aesthetic and embrace too fully the finite alone, we risk losing ourselves. Kierkegaard believed that the finite is not all there is to being human. There is also the infinite, the recognition that we have the capacity to choose and direct our lives in essentially any way we can dream. But spending too much time gaping at the cosmos of possibilities we face is not entirely healthy. For a lot of people, it's terrifying. For many people, the anxiety and panic that comes from confronting the vast potential of life is crippling. There is a paralysis that comes in being unable to choose because there are too many choices to make and too many potential options to choose from. For so much of our lives, we are led by the hand by those around us, or we are given easy and impulsive answers from our biology. However, a human is someone who can take stock of things and who has to make decisions that no one else will make. According to Kierkegaard, we must recognize that we are puny and insignificant, primates running on hormones and synapses. But we must also recognize that we are powerful beyond belief, that each of our decisions reaches out into the future, and that our decisions define our future. Embracing and living with this paradox is a maturing of the soul, and it is a necessary step in becoming a human being. Do subscribe and hit the like button if you liked this video, and don't forget to share your favorite quote from Soren Kierkegaard in the comment section.